Upon first glance, the house may appear deceptively small from the road, but its interior is truly a labyrinth of possibilities. Boasting a remarkable number of 5 bedrooms, or perhaps even more, this property provides ample space to accommodate guests comfortably. Of particular interest is the second floor, which conveniently aligns with the level of the road. As you ascend, you will be greeted by a sprawling and enchanting corridor that guides you towards no less than 5 charming rooms. Each room presents a unique ambience, immersing its guests in an atmosphere of comfort and tranquilly. As you progress further, a grand lounge area awaits, providing a sanctuary for relaxation and socialization. Its spaciousness allows for various possibilities, such as hosting events or serving as a communal gathering space for guests. However, that's not all. This remarkable property also includes proximity to provide details of local attractions, amenities, or any other compelling factors. These additional features undoubtedly contribute to the property's allure for potential B&B guests, offering them a complete and unforgettable experience during their stay. I am confident that this house possesses the potential to become a truly exceptional bed and breakfast, attracting guests who seek a distinctive and captivating experience. Should you wish to further explore this opportunity or discuss any details, very little work is required to make a business come to life. There are floor plans and a 3D walkthrough. Check it out. The mineral springs in the village of Voditsa are well known. On the main Sofiavana route, the settlement is only 17 kilometers from Popovo town and 65 kilometers from Ruse and Veliko Tarnovo. The post office, stores, pubs, and a bus stop are all that the community needs to run smoothly. Not far from Popovo municipality,